Hey, we are talking here about content marketing automation based on make.com. This is workflow automation platform. On this series of videos, we do automatic posts on our WordPress website. Hey, my name is Gala. I am a marketing analyst and specialist in Looker and marketing automation. This is our scenario in Make. On the first video, we did observation of the whole scenario. Final goal of our scenario is post on my test website. To be honest, I'm really lazy to go to website and do posts. And don't ask me, I think it could be automated. So I found a way how to automate it. We created a list of SEO keywords and we already have our account on Make, and we created our first integration with Google Sheets. We come back to our scenario. My next model here is write a draft, and I use Perplexity for this. I use AI a lot on this scenario. It's true. Why do I use Perplexity? Because it's good to do research. For now, mostly I need to do research. After that, I want to write an article. That is why Perplexity. But to use Perplexity, we should connect it. That is main point of this. Not main point, but it's an interesting thing about Make, because we work with API, and this tool we use like visual interface. It means that we don't need to know how to code to use this thing. Let's do it. Can add a new connector. I'm interested here in Perplexity AI. When I click here, I have three options: create a chat completion, make an API call, a list search result. I want to use the first option. When I click for the first time, I need to create a connection. I don't have Perplexity account from this Gmail. Let's go from the scratch. How will happen when you do it? When we click here, we have a name and we have an API key. It already sounds like, oh, where can I take it? First of all, I want to call it somehow Galar test, for example, and I need to find API key. How do I do it? I go to Perplexity AI website. On Perplexity website, I didn't do any login. I have suggestion from Google. Let's do it. It will be accurate for other AI tools as well. Get the most. Okay, continue. I want to use it for free. Yes. Try for $0. What is interesting here that I have a web interface, but to connect to Make, I need an API key. To have API key, I go to, when you log into your Perplexity, you go to your account. Here you have API platforms, and here you have API keys. And you generate a new key, you copy it, and you paste it to your Make connection. Save. That's what we do. But before you do it, you pay some credits to use it, to use Perplexity API. It could be $5, but you should pay. Then we should use messages and say token to do research. What is our goal here? We want to use our keywords, our thesis, do research, and write a draft for our article. Which model we can use? I use Sonar personally, and it works finally for me. Also, we can do deep research. If you write about some complex topic, maybe it will be better. To be honest, for my topic, where we write about some not super complicated things, I think it's okay. What to write in the message? I already did it on the previous, on my main scenario. I can show you here, and I can copy this prompt and I can add to these Google Sheets. This is our prompt that I use for write a draft. What do I do here? I say that you're a senior content strategist, you're a researcher and writer focused on modern lifestyle, stylish content productivity, and life organization. I like to say my target audience for whom I want to write. Because of that, it will be depends the style of the article. I do some target audience. I mention voice of tone. How do I want to write? How and from whose perspective we are writing this article. We do some positioning, writing styles, use and output. Generate a structured blog article draft that can later be edited. This is our prompt. We can copy this prompt, paste it to this is system, and paste it here. And this is our system prompt. And then we have a user prompt. So system prompt is more general what we want to do. And a user prompt, we add context to the system prompt. Okay, where is here? This is a system prompt. What is a user prompt? Here we say already some details. We already add here our primary keyword. We add our article thesis. And we do what to do here. So research the topic. We use our keywords. So like check what we are writing about. Article structure, SEO rules, how to add keywords, where to edit, and article length and language of the article. You can use it as a base. Maybe it is not the best prompt ever that you say, but it works for me, for my niche. If you think that you can do research about like which kind of articles is better, which kind of structure of articles is better for your niche, and you can update it here. So we are writing articles. This is our user prompt. I can copy paste it to, we need to add an item and it will be a user prompt. And what is interesting here, we have primary keyword and we take it from, find the keyword from value from here, from our previous model. We take this from our previous model, and the same we do with this thesis of the article. We take it from the previous model. That's it. And we can click save. Then we need to test how will it work. And let's rename it's right draft. So we can click right mouse button and click run this model only. If we do this, we need to add here value. For now it's quite small, so we can click run the whole scenario still. Later, I will not recommend you to do it. What it's doing, it's found a row where we work, it's find keywords and thesis, and now it's writing an article using our API key from Perplexity that we set up. I click here. We can see input and we can see output, and output here will be in choices. One message, where is this? Content. How to stop overthinking everything, practical thesis. And this is article, we can read it and we can see how you like it or you don't. So this is our article. What do you do next? I will not do in this video because it doesn't make any sense to waste your time. You write the article, you think, okay, does it work for me? Or it doesn't work for me. If it not, so you go here, you test the prompt and try to fix it. To write the prompt, you can use it manually. You can ask ChatGPT, you can ask Claude, whatever you like. You ask Perplexity how to write the best prompt for Perplexity. So you can tune the prompt to get articles that you will be enjoy. So again, to see result, we click here and output, where it was, choices, one message, content. Okay. So this is our article. You do several steps to like your articles to tune it. And when you're ready, we are done with this write draft model. So what we have already, we decided to write an article. We created a table in Google Sheets and added our SEO keywords. We connect this keyword to Google Sheets and we already write our draft article using Perplexity AI. So we register there, we add some little money to our account to have opportunity to work via API, and we write our draft. This is already nice steps, but as you see, this scenario is quite long, so we have much more further. Don't miss next videos, it will be super interesting. I really like this scenario, hope you do. And in the end, we will get automated posting articles on your WordPress website. Yes. Hope you like it. Please give me a comment, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.